Katigeerako basatu era bakalikavalingako $1.85 million. Yes. Njagala, I want to confirm that it is true I was a victim of theft. People I entrusted to wash my car while I was seated in my car stole my money. I have seen varying amounts. At some point somebody was saying 800 million. I have never touched it at once, but I look forward one day I will touch 800 million and beyond. Others were saying 300 something, 300 million, etc. I can confirm it was 118 million. Previously it was 120. I had paid out 2 million to somebody, and I went to wash my car. Two young boys, actually 2 young boys, who had come to wash my car, stole that money while I was sitting in the car. I have seen flying news saying I went and left the car or abandoned it in the washing bay. No, I was seated in my car. They took advantage of a telephone call that I was engaged with and stole the money. I reported to police like any other diligent person who has nothing to hide. The police acted swiftly, and I'm grateful. The police, the flying squad in particular, and everybody that participated in this operation, they worked quickly. We have been able to recover 85 million. Now, as a victim of this theft, I have become a point of ridicule by some self-seeking individuals. It is legitimate and acceptable for the led to ask their leaders questions. I have lived a transparent life. I can account for each and every coin of my money. Everything I own, I have declared before the IGG. I can perfectly account with records. So I saw an innuendo that the chairperson of COSASE, who supervises public enterprises, has lost some small monies, 118 million. I can read the innuendo in that. I have decided to dismiss it with contempt. By any standards, that's not little money, at least not by my standards. We toil and struggle. We work so hard. I've worked so hard all my life to own the little that I own. I have borrowed. I have invested. So, I really feel for those people who think that's very little money, at least not by my standards. I thank the police for working swiftly to recover what they have so far recovered. I look forward that I serve a living and faithful God, who I called and prayed that my money be recovered. I do not want anyone to make me feel shy that I had some money on me, or that I had money that I intended to spend on things I consider important in my life. Your leaders work, they get paid, they do business, they get money. I'm one of them. Lawyers in Kampala work, get money. I'm one of them. A man of my age must work for himself and earn. I work and earn. That is why I do not feel shy in going to the police to report this theft and thuggery. Where I ought to be sympathized with, I do not wish them the same, because I am different from them. I pray that they get money, that it doesn't get stolen. My complaint with the police was to publicize this, which makes me a target for theft and robbery. People might think I always have money. There are times I don't even have 100,000 in my pocket. I thank you for your kind attention. Siyinza kubaagaliza kyekyo kubanga I am a different brand. Siringapo mbasabira busabizi Katonda ekisuuka abawe, ate bw'aba abawadde bafunemu bakole ebintu. Katonda gwe nneebaza olw'okunnyamba era gwe nzikiriza nti n'ezisigaddeyo ajja kuzinoonya gye ziri. Nagamba abavubuka be nasisinkana washing bay nti zino ensimbi mulowooza nti muzibye naye ze nsinza Katonda omulamu, era mumulaajanidde mukoowodde agenda kunoonya ssente zange ngiza. Era wano we tuli Katonda, nze Katonda gwe nsinza emisana gwe nsinza n'ekiro, sikyusa Katonda owange simugattako. Olw'ekyo nina okukkiriza nti nja kubeera muwanguzi mu byonna, era ne bwe ziba nga zibuze ezisigadde, kyabadde kisoboka omuntu okujja okunziba n'antema oba nankuba akatayimbwa oba essasi, naye ndi mulamu. Ekitatta muyima, kale ekitatta muganda tekimumalaako bibye. N'olwekyo nkyakola, nja kufuna ne ssente endala. Mwebale kanye ku kintu kimu, you do not victimize a victim.